to get voice chat on Roblox. So here is a quick and easy guide on how to do so, which is perfect for gaming, role play, or hanging with friends. First of all you have to do is go to the roblox.com or Roblox app and make sure that you are logged into your Roblox account. Once there, tap on the settings or gear icon available at the top right corner of your screen, and from the drop down menu, tap on the settings. Inside settings, make sure that you are 13 or older. Roblox voice chat is only available for users aged 13 plus. Your account birthday must reflect this or you won't see the option. Or if you have not verified your age, as in you need to send your verification card to the Roblox. So if you have not done that, you need to complete that process by tapping on the verify my age option available there. Now, once you have verified your age, tap on the privacy option available at the left hand side bar. Once you tap on the privacy, here select the use microphone to chat with voice toggle and select enable. The use microphone to chat with voice toggle should now be turned on, and you can close the browser and start chatting in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.